That's Spiderman.
Costume gives it away, huh? Look, this is pretty important, Max.
How do you know my name?
It's written on your badge.
I'm a nobody.
Hey, you're not a nobody. You're somebody. Like that. All right, listen to me. Now I need you. You're my eyes and ears out here, right?
All right.
Yo, Sparkles! Hey, how you doing?
It's you?
Who are you?
You don't remember me?
No? Did I?
I walked into the street. The car almost hit me. You swooped me up. You saved me. You said you needed me.